Guys, we're back with another video, and today we are going to be doing a slime challenge. This is my cousin Malia. This is my sister Ogechi.
Hi.
And this is my other cousin Sasha.
Hello guys.
We are going to be making slime with some eyeshadow, wet and...
Let's get started.
Okay.
First, take the stuff out, and now we have to use glue.
Yeah. So let's do it. I guess she's going to use her glue first. Okay, that's enough.
Yeah. Need it less.
Okay. So it looks like we have Nickelodeon slime activator,
Some food coloring.
glue, and
Tide.
Tide. Okay, who's next?
These are fruit colors. You got red, orange.
So what are we gonna use? Not too much. That's enough.
Huh?
That's enough. It'll spread
I
out.
think that's.
Okay. Let me pour mine in.
Why are you guys laughing? That's what we have. It's a kind of activator for the glue, so it can turn into slime.
Yeah. So you can.
I don't think my slime will really show because it's yellow. The other fair.
Okay. Now let's. The next thing we're gonna be putting is some of this.
I'll put in this.
Okay.
I'm gonna be pouring my fruit coloring.
Can someone help me open this?
It looks
Okay,
like
I'll help
stuff's
you.
like
So let's put all of this stuff in. Okay.
Wow, Ogechi, yours is turning out good.
Good job. Good job, everybody.
Thank you.
I had less. I had like
I
barely.
will need some
Okay.
more.
Okay.
Let me just mix mine.
Oh, look at mine.
Mine is turning in. I'm using some of this.
But yours looks better.
Just the color that looks good.
Yeah.
Mine is like a
This
kind
is
of.
good.
I think we should add
I'm
Tide
using
now.
my makeup
And
with.
mine's still doing this. You
Okay.
can use Tide.
Me, a little bit.
Look. Now it's chocolate.
Oh, that's chocolate chip.
Okay,
Look.
let me mix
It's
it now.
chocolate chip now.
Oh, I remember those orange cookies that look like chocolate chip.
Yeah.
Let's pour this.
Oh, look at my stuff now. It's kind of failed the color, but I still like it.
Mine look like that yogurt.
Let me try this.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
put it in
strawberry
there now.
yogurt.
If you guys need Tide, use it from here. Yeah, it's turning into slime.
Yours is good. Put it in mine.
I'm using my
A
color.
little more?
Yeah,
Looks like hers
Stretch
and
it.
chip.
plastic for
The
it.
best so far.
Yeah.
Let's keep mixing.
Who me? Who's best for so far?
Hers is the best at like the jiggliness and
Yeah.
Chicken put.
Copyright.
guys, let's do this.
I think
Guys,
I want
look
this
it.
one.
It looks
It would be
like-
pretty.
Okay. This looks like a party with little people in it.
Yeah.
Mine is
You
thick.
already like make it.
Pour some in there. Let me see mine from the bottom. Oh look, guys, look at all these spots on the bottom. Let me look there. Did it say it comes to life? A few more mixes, then my slime will be done.
Few more.
So, I'm already done.
Dang. She gonna break his spoon. Goes
I
bad.
know.
I need a new spoon. This is not good with plastic. I didn't know it can be this.
This hard to keep. But mine is forming.
Yeah, mine is.
Mine is
I like it now.
Sasha's already formed.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's already done.
Yeah.
So it's got shape and skin.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mine is too.
So,
Okay, who invented slime?
I don't know.
I don't know who invented slime.
Who invented let's see. It was probably a hack in the old. Guys, okay. That's so much. Okay. That's
So let me ask a question. If you put more glue, will it be stickier? If you put more Tide, will it be more?
I have no
stickier?
idea. She's the expert of slime.
She is. So which one?
She made a mistake on her slime and turned good.
Yeah.
I made more activated one.
I thought mine would be bad when I made them.
Yeah, me too. Oh, guys. Oh, yours is like slimy and
You bet.
guys,
Get it, girl.
she is
Like it's a line. That isn't.
yeah.
What?
She's first, she's second, and I'm third. And you guys comment down below which slime do you think is better.
Yeah.
Please, you
Comment
guys
down
vote
below.
for me.
Comment down below which one should be first, second,
Or
third,
that,
or fourth.
It's
Or
really
Like
nice.
unicorn first.
Okay, so looks like she's first, she's second, she's third, and I'm last.
We have to end the video, guys.
So
like,
comment, and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.